Hi, loves. Welcome to Purpose with Angelina. Here, I guide you to your purpose and allow you to have the self love and confidence to actually live it, right? So, in this video, we are going to be talking about how to align with Source and how to align with your higher self. 10 ways to reconnect to this source of power and love. Think of an appliance that needs power or electricity to work from a source. If that appliance isn't plugged in to the source of power, it can never work as it should. Same with us. We are the vessel for the power so that we can operate on earth to manifest the greatness that we want. Number 1, meditation. Every day, I align with Source through meditation. I set the intention to connect with Source and mindfully connect with my breath by breathing deeply. I'll then visualize a bright beam of light entering me from the top of my head and filling my entire body with this light. I visualize this light as healing, loving, calming, and energizing. I'm immediately filled with peace and in alignment with all things great. I visualize the light covering every inch of my body while healing me and making me whole. I see myself being upgraded and living the life on earth as my highest self. I then see myself shining this light throughout my country and the world. I have guided meditations on the YouTube channel, including a playlist entitled Align with God or Your Higher Self that would guide you perfectly. Number 2, nature. Nature is one of the purest expressions of Source because it emits the highest vibration, which is Source. So, when we go into nature, we align ourselves with the highest vibration, Source. If you're in a low vibration and you go into nature, you can get new perspectives, new ideas, and you will feel so much better. This is what I experience all the time. As soon as I enter into nature, my energy shifts almost immediately. Nature is my healer. It is so abundant and always giving off this high vibrational energy. Number 3, music. Since everything is energy, music is energy just as we are energy. We can change our energy by immersing ourselves in music. If we want to reconnect to Source, we can listen to the music that is in alignment with the highest vibration of Source. This type of music would be referred to as high vibe music. Music that is of high vibrational frequency has the power to change our energy to a high vibrational frequency also. That's why when you're in a bad mood and you hear your favorite song, you immediately feel better. High vibe music is music that is attuned to higher frequencies. This music is healing, it has empowering words, and it elevates you and expands your level of consciousness. This type of music changes your feelings to joy, inner peace, and hope, which are all in alignment with the high vibrational Source energy. I am very passionate about music, specifically high vibe music, because I have noticed the power of it. I have a feeling that I can change the world through music. It's my goal to keep creating music that will heal, elevate, and bring peace and joy to the world. Immerse yourself in high vibe music on the YouTube channel Purpose with Angelina. If we reference our flow chart on beliefs, you'll notice that how we feel determines our actions, which then determines our reality. How we feel is very important to pay attention to, and music can definitely alter the way that we feel. Number 4, dance. When we dance, we get into our bodies and into the present moments. As we dance and move to the music, we can literally feel the energy of God within us. This is why I love ecstatic dance music sessions where you let the music move your body and just be a vessel for the movement. This way, we are surrendering to the present moment and allowing the high vibrational source music to control and move us, which reconnects us with our source. Dance is also extremely healing. I dance in nature all the time, which makes me feel very grounded and in the present moment. Once you are in the present moment, you are where you're supposed to be. Become very mindful of your daily tasks by giving it all your attention and doing it to the best of your ability. Since all we have is now, when you accept the power of now, you align yourself with the power of source. I plan on hosting these ecstatic dance parties in the future, so if you're interested, you can check out the Instagram page Purpose with Angelina for details. Number 5, living your purpose. When we are living our purpose and doing the things that we are passionate about, we immediately connect ourselves with source. When you are living your purpose, you are doing the things that you are passionate about, which immediately connects you with source. Your purpose allows you to use your gifts, talents, knowledge, expertise, experiences to help others. You are now being your true authentic self and living your life in service to humanity, which allows source energy to flow through you freely and take over your life completely. While you are doing the things you are passionate about, you enter into what's called the flow state. This is where source is allowed to freely flow through you. The flow state, also known as being in the zone, is the mental state in which a person performing some activity is fully immersed in a feeling of energized focus, full involvement, and enjoyment in the process of the activity. You lose all track of time and space. Only when you are doing the things that you are passionate about, you can experience this flow state. This is also known as your bliss. There's a saying that you should follow your bliss and the money will come after. I agree with that. When we follow our bliss, it means that we are following our passions and purpose. The reason it brings us bliss is because of the source energy flowing through us when we do it. Number 6, SelfLove Journey. When you love yourself, you're loving source. When you're getting to know about yourself, you're getting to know source, since you are an expression of source. So, your self-love journey is where you reconnect with source. My self-love journey looks like me doing all the things that makes me feel very feminine, having a spiritual routine, meditating, putting myself first, focusing on self-care, focusing on my self-nourishment, exercising, brainwashing myself with positivity, being self-sufficient, healing myself, healing my inner child, checking in with myself daily, always doing what I want to do, showing up for myself every day, letting my inner child play, enjoying life always, living in gratitude always learning, exploring and expanding, making myself happy, filling my own cup, etc. Focus on yourself. Become the star of your own movie. Take all others off the pedestal and put yourself first. Be self-sufficient and ensure that you are not attaching yourself to anything or anyone. Know that once you are connected to source, you have all that you need. When you attach yourself to outside things, you create resistance, fear, anxiety, and frustration since change is always occurring. Avoid these emotions of fear completely, since these emotions are the opposites of high vibrational energy that we want to connect to. Number 7, be around those that are reconnected to source. The people we are around influences us deeply. When you are around people who are connected to source, you can easily now reflect that, because you can observe how they have done it themselves. Just as in music, their energy would affect your energy, changing yours to the same higher level. Number 8, reprogram your subconscious mind. This is a very crucial step in reconnecting with source, as your subconscious mind beliefs create your reality. So if you believe that you are not deserving to reconnect with your source, you will have that reality that makes you feel disconnected to source. You have to remove the root of those self-hate limiting beliefs by reprogramming your subconscious mind. Number 9, living from love. When you do everything from a place of love, you are reconnecting to source. Love is the highest vibration of energy as source. Source is love, as we explained before. So when you live your life from love, you immediately place yourself in alignment with source. Number 10, self-love routine. Have a self-love routine that you would do daily that keeps you in alignment with source. In this daily routine, you are mindfully reconnecting with source through one or more of the ways that we mentioned. Reprogramming your subconscious mind with one or more of the tools you have learned, and doing the things that you are passionate about in your purpose every single day. If you enjoyed, hit the like button. If you want more content like this, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I post a video. And leave a comment and let me know, how do you align with source? How do you align with your higher self? And check out the playlist on aligning with God and aligning with your higher self. So that's it for me. Bye.